All right, welcome to Beyond Super. I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have a Sonos Play One Wi-Fi speaker. This is a cool unit to have, and you could play music through it utilizing your device or a computer or something like that that's connected to the Wi-Fi, and then you can again play that through the speaker because it's going to be set up within your Wi-Fi system. This is not a Bluetooth device, so it does not have Bluetooth capability. But let's go ahead and show you how to set this thing up. First and foremost is let's go ahead and plug this in. But before plugging it in, we're gonna do a kind of like a factory reset. Basically, pressing down the play and the plus button at the same time before plugging it in. So let's go ahead and do that. You got to hold it down, then plug it in. And then what it's going to do is going to give you some light indication over here when it turns there. Gives you an orange light that's flashing. So you're going to go ahead and let go. Once that happens, there's the green button that the green light that we're waiting for. So once that happens, you're gonna need to have the app. Okay, there's two apps for Sonos. One is their regular Sonos app, and then the second one, at least on the Play Store, it's gonna be called Sonos S1 controller. This is what you're gonna need to be able to utilize this unit. It's the Sonos S1 controller, not the regular Sonos. So I've already installed it. I'm gonna open it up, and then let's see here. We're gonna need to set up a new Sonos system. You're gonna sign in. If you don't have the Sonos already in place, all you need to do is create an account with your email address and create a password. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So let's go ahead and pause this while I put that in. Okay, so let's see here. I'm gonna go sign in. There you go. And once you're signed in, it'll give you that. And then you just have to hit continue to set up a new Sonos product. And then set up product. Plugging it in. We've already got it plugged in. Hit continue. And it'll give you this prompt where it says searching for product. And this might take a minute. So let's go ahead and wait for that. I'm going to pause it until, oh, well, you know what? It might just be really quick anyway. So let's go ahead and go through it. Once that happens, it shows you that we found a new product near you. It's the Play One White, which is exactly what it is. And then all you have to do is hit set up this product. And again, this is setting up the product to go with your Wi-Fi system network. So anytime you want to look for this device with other like a computer or something like that, and you want to play through it, you can do that because it's already in your Wi-Fi network. So it says connect to device, hit connect. There you go. Set up a Sonos Wi-Fi. Let's get Sonos running on your wireless network. Hit continue. And then that's the network that I have. Use this network. And then you're going to need to put in the password to your network. Okay. So now that it's picked it up, we're going to set it up with my network. So I'm going to go ahead and put the password to my network. All right, so now that I've hit that button, it's setting it up. Sonos is connected to your wireless network. And please wait, this could take another minute. Again, that is the normal protocol. Is this thing is being set up as part of your network, so anytime you want to find it and it's already connected, and once you plug these things in and it's already connected to your network, then it's ready to go. So press and release the button simultaneously to show listen for the chime. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Hit the play and plus button at the same time. There you go. As soon as you did that, you heard that chime. That's what it was waiting for. And then it says, please wait while the connection is completed. So again, it's very, very simple. Play one is added. That's exactly what we want to do. Now let's set it up. Hit the next. And then it'll prompt you to where you want it connected to, where the location of that device. Whether it's a bathroom or bedroom. I'm in the garage, so I'm going to hit garage. All right. It says, do we want to add another product? No, not now. Now it's registering the product. All right. So we're pretty much done. All you have to do is hit done or add a music service. No, not really. And that is pretty much it. Once you've got that, you can actually hit Sonos Radio or any other device that you have, and you could play, again, your music right through it. So let's see here. On this device, I have like, I got to go through the permission. Don't really want to do that. Let's just hit the Sonos Radio. You know what? I don't have that account. So let me go ahead and use one of my music ones, and then we'll play a quick music right through it. But let me pause this. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and choose one of my services that I actually use, like Pandora, for instance. If I hit Pandora, and I want to play something through this, as you can hear right now, it's going through my phone. But if you hit that button right there, that's the Wi-Fi button. You will find the Sonos Garage, which is exactly what we just set up. Hit that button. And now it's playing through that. Okay, so I'm gonna lower that because of copyright issue, and it might pick that up. But as you can see, all I did was actually go ahead and launch one of my apps on my phone. It finds the device on my Wi-Fi network, and it starts to play right through it. So that's pretty much it. That's basically how to set up a Sonos unit and how to use it. Basically, again, as soon as I want to use it, you just look for that button, and then it's going to show you that your device that's in your phone, that's also within the network, and it shows the speaker that we just set up. And now we could play music right through it. So that's how easy it is, how cool it is, and how to use this unit. All right, I hope you found this video useful and helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.